went dark, but the feeling stayed, like a shadow dancing in the light you gave. I keep dialing back just to hear the tone, but it's not your breath, it's just a dial tone.
I know it's over, but I'm stuck in between, where the truth is quiet and the pain is unseen. If I could rewind, I'd say what I meant, but now I just listen to the silence you sent.
3 seconds before goodbye, still chasing the sound of your sigh. Your silence hit like thunder, but I still wonder, I still